to us a little bit about the lymphatic drainage treatments that you offer in your practice?
Sure. So the lymphatic system is very important, and it is kind of the unseen system or untouched by pharmaceutical drugs. But it is so important in the health of the patient because a lot of times there are problems, underlying problems in any chronic condition. The lymphatic system is responsible for detoxification of the body because every cell in our body produces its own metabolic waste. As well, we of course take in a lot of different toxins from the environment by the air we breathe, the food and water that we consume. So the lymphatic system is kind of like the sewer system of the body, and it's this clear fluid that's similar to plasma. And the only thing is it doesn't have a pump. So our circulatory system has a heart that pumps the blood around, and it's very efficient and effective. But the lymphatic system relies on muscle contraction. So when we see a patient who cannot move because they're too sick, or they're too overweight, and they cannot exercise, or they've had an injury, we can treat the lymphatic system with this machine that we have. It's called the light beam generator, and it actually uses physics rather than chemistry to do its job. So it uses photons of light and sound to work on the proteins in the lymph fluid to make that fluid more water-like, so it moves through the vessels much easier, and it reduces the stagnation. Also, it helps to detoxify the system, so the patients feel much better and their cells can work better, because it's kind of like when you go to clean your house. You have to clean the hallways first before you can start cleaning the rooms.
What are the benefits that you see while doing detoxification with the lymphatic drainage along with your homeopathics or your nutraceuticals that you recommend usually? Do you see any benefits added?
For sure. So of course we see lots of benefits, and often the other therapies work better. It's just what I said, it's just cleaning up the body so it can work more effectively. And all the other therapies then, especially with homeopathics, they're used to stimulate. So we can only stimulate an organ when it's able to respond. So we have to do some work ahead of time. That's why with homeopathy, we need to detoxify the patient first. And often children respond really well because they're not as toxic as adults later, especially later in life.